Have you ever wondered how much of your life revolves around your smartphone? This pocket-sized device, once a luxury item, has transformed into a necessity that we can't imagine our lives. Have you ever wondered how much of your life revolves around your smartphone? This pocket-sized device, once a luxury item, has transformed into a necessity that we can't imagine our lives without. The smartphone phenomenon is an interesting one, to say the least. In a span of just over 2 decades, these devices have grown from being a status symbol to a ubiquitous part of our daily lives. They have transcended the boundaries of communication, becoming our go-to device for entertainment, education, shopping, and even for managing our health and finances. Think about it. The first thing most of us do when we wake up is reach for our smartphone. It's our alarm clock, our weather forecaster, our news outlet, and our connection to the world. It's our camera, music player, GPS, and personal assistant all rolled into one. It's the last thing we check before we go to sleep and the first thing we check when we wake up. Smartphones have also changed the way we interact with each other. Instead of having face-to-face conversations, we now communicate through messages, emails, and social media. Our phones help us stay connected with friends and family across the globe, breaking down geographical barriers like never before. In the realm of work, smartphones have made it possible for us to work from anywhere, at any time. We can attend meetings, respond to emails, and even create and edit documents, all from the palm of our hand. It's not an exaggeration to say that smartphones have revolutionized the way we work. However, with all their benefits, it's important to remember that not all smartphones are created equal. Some are better at certain tasks than others, and the best smartphone for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. It's a complex world filled with a plethora of choices, where one size definitely does not fit all. It's undeniable that smartphones have revolutionized the way we live, but not all smartphones are created equal. When it comes to smartphones, there's a long-standing debate: iPhone or Android. Let's start with iPhone, the brainchild of Apple, a company that prides itself on its intuitive design and seamless ecosystem. iPhones are known for their elegant, minimalist aesthetics and their user-friendly interface. They offer a tightly integrated ecosystem, where all Apple devices are designed to work together in harmony. This is evident in features like handoff, AirDrop, and iMessage that work flawlessly across all Apple devices. iPhones also have a reputation for strong security and privacy measures, which is a significant factor for many users. On the other hand, Android, developed by Google, is often celebrated for its flexibility and customization options. Android users enjoy the freedom to personalize their device to their heart's content, from custom launchers to widgets and beyond. Unlike iPhones, Android phones are made by a variety of manufacturers, which means a wider range of prices, features, and designs to choose from. This diversity can be a great advantage for those who want a smartphone that fits their specific needs and budget. Furthermore, Android's Google Play Store boasts a larger number of apps than the Apple App Store, offering users a wider selection of applications to choose from. And let's not forget the built-in Google Assistant, which many users find more helpful and accurate than Apple's Siri. However, it's worth noting that while Android's customization options are a huge plus, they can also lead to a more complex, less streamlined user experience compared to iPhone's "it just works" philosophy. In terms of updates, Apple's iPhones are known to receive timely and regular software updates. Android updates, on the other hand, can vary greatly depending on the manufacturer and the device model, which can sometimes lead to fragmentation issues. At the end of the day, it all boils down to personal preference. Are you drawn to iPhone's simplicity and seamless ecosystem? Or do you prefer Android's customization capabilities and diverse hardware options? Whether you're an iPhone devotee or an Android aficionado, both systems have their strengths. But the smartphone world isn't just about iPhone and Android. Let's delve into 2 major players in the Android realm: Samsung and Huawei. When we talk about Samsung, we're talking about a brand that has consistently been at the forefront of the smartphone industry. Known for their cutting-edge technology, sleek designs, and powerful performance, Samsung's Galaxy series has captured the hearts of many tech enthusiasts around the globe. From the high-end, feature-packed Galaxy S and Note series to the budget-friendly A series, Samsung has a phone for every wallet size. One of the biggest appeals of Samsung is its customizability and open system, allowing users to personalize their devices to their heart's content. On the other side of the coin, we have Huawei, a brand that has made a name for itself with its impressive camera technology and robust build quality. Huawei's rise to fame in the smartphone world can be attributed to its commitment to innovation, particularly in the realm of photography. Their partnership with Leica, a renowned name in the photography industry, has resulted in smartphones that offer professional-grade camera capabilities. Huawei's devices, from their flagship P and Mate series to the budget Nova series, are known for their long-lasting battery life and excellent value for money. Comparing the market performance of these two giants, Samsung has been a dominant player globally for years. However, Huawei, despite facing some significant challenges, has managed to hold a strong position, particularly in regions such as Asia and Europe. The appeal of these two brands varies among users. Samsung's wide range of devices and innovative features draw in those who crave the latest tech, while Huawei attracts users who prioritize camera quality and battery life. In terms of software, both use Android as a base but offer different user experiences with their custom skins. Samsung with its One UI and Huawei with its EMUI, each offering a unique set of features and aesthetics. Samsung and Huawei, two titans in the smartphone industry, each catering to their unique user bases. While Samsung and Huawei dominate the Android market, emerging brands like OnePlus and Google Pixel are also worth considering. When it comes to smartphones, it's not always about the biggest players. Sometimes, it's the underdogs that catch our attention with their unique offerings. Two such brands that are making waves in the Android market are OnePlus and Google Pixel. OnePlus, a Chinese smartphone manufacturer, has been steadily gaining traction since its launch in 2013. It's no surprise considering the brand's commitment to providing high-quality devices at a fraction of the cost of their competitors. Their motto, "Never settle," resonates with their approach to smartphone manufacturing. They are known for their focus on performance, providing devices with top-tier specs, often outperforming other brands in the same price range. OnePlus's high performance-to-cost ratio is a major selling point. It's not just about affordability, it's about getting more bang for your buck. With OnePlus, you're not just buying a smartphone, you're investing in a powerhouse device that doesn't compromise on performance. On the other hand, we have Google Pixel, a brand that is synonymous with outstanding camera quality. Google, a tech giant, brings its expertise in software development to the smartphone market. With Google Pixel, it's all about the camera. The Pixel's camera software has been hailed as one of the best in the industry, delivering stunning photos with remarkable clarity and color accuracy. The Pixel's night sight feature is particularly impressive, allowing users to capture high-quality photos in low-light conditions. And let's not forget the unlimited storage for photos and videos on Google Photos, a feature exclusive to Pixel users. Both OnePlus and Google Pixel bring something unique to the table. OnePlus offers top-tier performance at a lower cost, while Google Pixel provides an unrivaled camera experience. These brands may not be as well known as Samsung or Huawei, but they are certainly worth considering if you're in the market for a new smartphone. OnePlus and Google Pixel, the underdogs of the smartphone market, are certainly giving the giants a run for their money. We've looked at the present, but what about the future of smartphones? As we gaze into the crystal ball of the smartphone industry, several trends seem to be emerging. Let's take a journey of exploration and anticipation as we delve into what the future might hold for our handheld companions. One of the most exciting developments we're seeing is the rise of foldable screens. Imagine a device that fits snugly into your pocket, but when unfolded, offers a tablet-sized display. This isn't some far-off dream, but a reality that's just around the corner. Brands like Samsung and Huawei are already testing the waters with their own versions of foldable devices, and it's only a matter of time before other manufacturers follow suit. But the future of smartphones isn't just about flexible displays, it's also about smarter, more integrated artificial intelligence. AI has been a buzzword for a while now, but we're only just beginning to tap into its full potential. From voice assistants that understand context and nuance, to cameras that can identify objects and adjust settings on the fly, AI is set to make smartphones even more intuitive and personalized. And let's not forget about connectivity. With the rollout of 5G networks, we're stepping into a new era of high-speed, low-latency communication. This isn't just about faster downloads and smoother streaming, it's about empowering a whole host of new applications and experiences, from augmented reality to real-time multiplayer gaming, all on your smartphone. So, what does all this mean for you, the user? Well, it means more choice, more power, and more ways to connect, create, and communicate. As these technologies mature and become mainstream, We can expect to see smartphones that are not just tools, but extensions of ourselves, designed to adapt to our needs and enhance our lives in unprecedented ways. The future of smartphones is exciting and full of possibilities. No matter your preference, there's a perfect smartphone out there for everyone.